Welcome to TK Design. The TK experience starts with a warm welcome as we begin our introductory discovery meeting. We start by employing active listening to determine your goals and your budget. It is at this point we discuss the possibilities for your renovation. The intent is to ensure that our design goals are aligned with your family's needs, wants, and budget. As we move forward in the process, we will send 2 friendly TK members to your home. They'll measure the required areas as well as shoot video and take photographs. Our team members will then translate the information into a set of drawings that will represent your home as currently built. That is where the fun begins, because our next meeting is the charrette, a creative brainstorming session that will involve live sketching to develop a preliminary design. Then we expertly convert the sketch into a refined concept through the use of cutting-edge 3D software. The concepts will then be presented at our design reveal meeting. Upon concept approval, we are ready to move into construction documents. As the construction document phase begins, our project manager will contact you, or your builder if you prefer, to fill in the details of our new project checklist. The checklist ensures that all of the details are in place to begin the construction documents. The excitement builds at our 3D model meeting as you fly around and virtually walk through your future renovation. The next step is the CAD blockout review. Following our CAD blockout checklist, our project manager will skillfully review your home's details, breaking down the complexity to simple bite-sized pieces and noting revisions as necessary. Now your design is prepared for our final stage, checking and framing. It's the responsibility of our most skilled and experienced team members to review your design and calculate the structural loads for optimum efficiency. Our production manager will carefully review and verify the details of your design to ensure optimum constructability. Once the final stage is complete, it's time for delivery. Most clients prefer hand delivery, but of course airmail is always an option. Investing in a home renovation is a very important endeavor. Thank you for entrusting us to design your